Debut Consulting, which operates from 4 Vodacare centers in Cape Town, installs and upgrades software, backs up files and sets up services such as internet and email access. Lee Simon is an infectiously confident young man who is clearly passionate about everything he does.
From a business perspective, is to change the mobile and business intelligence sphere within the Western Cape, South Africa and the world. When I say that, is the support of cell phones is going to be a massive industry. If you look at the laptop world or the computer world, there is no data and application support on mobile phones. And I'd like to be the first majority shareholder, market shareholder of mobile support on phones and business intelligence in corporates.
The company also has a business intelligence division that recently secured a 1 million rand contract with major retailer. The company develops what is termed as dashboard interface for management. The company received a 75,000 rand SAB Kickstart grant that was spent on office and computer equipment.
The SAB Kickstart program, I believe, added value in a number of areas. Besides the money, which was nice, which is nice and granting, but I believe the real value came from the mentoring over the 6-month period, the building up of relevant contacts in terms of the network base, and then lastly the relationship with South African breweries. The long-term relationship with South African breweries is critical.